A Children's Toy Website Guide. Chapter 1. Children's Toys and Recreational Products. Toy Recalls Info. toy-testing.org, Canadian Toy Testing Council. Consumer Product Safety Commission. 800-638-2772. cpsc.gov. Check on the safety of toys. drtoy.com, Toy Safety. vanthouanobservatory.org/series/good.time.toy.html, National Network, article about toys. Toy Libraries Info. Toy libraries are often located in public libraries. You borrow toys then bring them back after a few weeks. USA. Toy Library Association. 2719 Broadway Avenue, Evanston, IL 60201. 312-864-8240. usatla.org. Network of organizations which lends toys to kids. Toy Resources. Toy Manufacturers of America. 1115 Broadway. Number 400. NYC 10010. 212-675-1141. toy-tma.com. EdPlay Magazine. Specialty Toy Retailer. Faye Williams. 171 Reed St. Pub 1080. Geneva, New York 14456-8080. Fax 315-781-6820. fahwill@apx.net. Games Magazine. PSC Games Limited Partnership. 810 7th Avenue, NYC 10019. 212-246-4640. Playthings Magazine. Geyer McAllister Pubs. 51 Madison Avenue, NYC 10010. 212-689-4411. Toy and Hobby World Monthly. International Thomson Retail Press. 345 Park Avenue, NYC 10010. 212-741-7210. The Toy Book Monthly. Adventure Pub. Groob. 264 West 40th St. NYC 10018. 212-575-4510. The American Specialty Toy Retailing Association, ASTRA. astratoe.org. Major toy websites. Try number 790.133, number 793.00-22, number 794, number 795.4 or GV1205 to GV1282 at the library. ToysMadeInAmerica.com, extensive list US-made toys and toy companies. MetchRx.com. NaPCO.com, Toy Directory. ParentsPlace.com/shopping. SGToyandComicCon.com, Trade Show. StrongMuseum.org/nth Toy Hall of Fame. THETOYMANOnline.com/product_and_service_reviews.html. ToyDirectory.com. toysandgames.calco.co.uk. toysandgamesmag.com. toyshopmag.com. toytia.org, Toy Fair. toytips.com. zwaggle.com, sell your old toys. Toy websites 1-1888toys.com. acekids.com, games. adkinsstore.com. adventuretoys.co.uk. advertisingalliance.com. allaboardtoys.com. allgames.com. allprosoftware.com/bgames. americanpuzzles.com. ancienttitles.com. antiquemystique.com/toysgames.htm. arcade-equipment.com. arcadium.com. ariougame.com, 800-471-0641. astratoe.org. axtel.com. babyprosports.com. Backtobasicstoys.com, 800-356-5360. Barbie.com, 800-524-8697. barnesandnoble.com/toys. beatoeast.com. bestonlinecoupons.com/coupon/toys-games.asp. bigfuntoeast.com. binkley-toys.com. birthdayexpress.com. bizrate.com/toys_games. bkgm.com. boardgames.com. bottomdollar.com. bouncies.com, manufacturers and exporters of bouncy castles, moonwalks, and fun costumes. boxtown.com, cardboard playhouses. brainplay.com. briotoeast.com. buyonlinefind.com. Toy websites too. cabinfever.org. carnivalbiz.com, carnival stuff. catchthewind.com. cdmag.com/chips.html. chazpro.com. cheapass.com. chess.onenet.net. chicousa.com. childsache.com, EchoAware books. childswork.com, 800-962-1141, toys for mental health. clowncostumes.com. clownsupply.com. cm.cf.ac.uk/games/index.html. connectforkids.org. constplay.com, 800-832-0572. costco.com. crayola.com, crayons. creativetoymaker.com. cribbage.org. Toy websites 3. ctcs.org, Canadian Toy Collectors. daddystoyshop.com. davinci.com/odp/shopping/toys_and_games. dazada.com/category_initial/toys_and_games.html. dealsdirect.com.au/c/games-toys. deltime.com/toysandgames. dftoys.com, disabled children. discoverytoysinc.com. disney.com. disneyinteractive.com. donet.com. download.com, free software. drtoy.com. drugstore.com. dube.com. easyclickgames.com. educationalinsights.com. effnbdolls.com, dollmaker. ertletoys.com, toys. etoeast.com. eurogamini.com. eurotoyshop.com. eutech.com/gi joe. faoswartz.com, 800-426-8697. fatbraintoeast.com. 50scollectibles.com. fisher-price.com. flyingbuffalo.com. folktoy.com. fussball.com. freckles1.com. funagain.com, German games. funhousetoy.com. fun-shop.com. fwpi.com. game.com. gamekeeper.com. gamepro.com. gamesdomain.com. gamestop.com. gentlewind.com, 888, funsong, music. gifts.com/categories/toys-games. girltech.com. grandillusions.com. greattapes.com. gremlins.com/kitbuilders. happypuppy.com. hardwoodtoys.com. hasbro.com. hasbrotoyshop.com. Toy websites 4. hearthsong.com, 800-325-2502. heat.net. heirloomwoodentoeast.com, 866-202-8073. highlights.com. historychannel.com/exhibits/toys. hobbyexpress.com, holtoutlet.com, humor.com, iconbuy.com, imaginarium.com, imaginetoys.com, 888-777-1493, innocentfun.com, adult games, interactivetoy.com, 866-214-2220, irwin-toy.com, ja.oeast.com, jigsawjungle.com, kaplanco.com, 800-533-2166, kbkids.com, cabetoeast.com, kidspcgames.co.uk, klutz.com, knext.com, kyphensales.com, landofmarbles.com, leapfrog.com, leapsandboundscatalog.com, 800-477-2189, lego.com, legomindstorms.com, 800-233-8756, lilliputmotorcompany.com, linkopedia.com/shopping/toys_and_games/games, littlekidstuff.com, littletykes.com, lowbuys.com, MadisonAvenueGames.com, manlytoyquest.com, mastergardenproducts.com/kidsgarden, 800-574-7248, mastermindtoys.com, matchboxtoys.com, toy websites 5, mattel.com, 800-524-8697, mattelinteractive.com, 800-338-3844, mattelstore.com, megatech.com, r/c models, midwaygames.com, arcade-type games, misty.com/laughweb, mobilation.com, modelretailer.com, monopoly.com, myplaycity.com, play-free games, myralgames.com, nandozarch.com/toys_and_games, nativetech.org/games/index.php, naturalplay.com, naturaltoys.com, naturetoys.com, 800-847-7570, nocc.org/giftshop/americarty/puzzles.htm, nintendo.com, noodlekeedoodle.com, novanatural.com, paperairplanes.co.uk, pinball.wms.com, pinmall.com, pinball, pitstopracing.com, playfairtoys.com, 800-824-7255, playscapes.com, playzite.com, playsmagazine.com, children's plays to act out, prangpower.com, 800-829-9000, soy crayons, puzzledepot.com, puzzlemaps.com, questionville.com/games_recreation/toys, quincyshop.com, rainylake-puzzles.com, redrockytea.com, redwagons.com, robinsonmall.com, toy websites 6, rocketcash.com, royalbell.com, rpg.net, role-playing games, rumpus.com, rusberry.com, toys, novelties, sears.com, sensationalkids.com, 800-444-2147, shop.bluehaven.com, shopping.com,